session, I'm going to discuss Cosel's-Lewis theory, and after that, I will start covalent bond topic, Nana. I will start covalent bond topic and what are the factors favoring to form covalent bond and properties of covalent bond. Like this topic is moving. Okay. Anyone student just confirm, Nana, what is the last point? I think last point is doublet configuration.
Doublet configuration.
Yes, sir.
Doublet
Yes.
configuration.
Yes, Cosel's-Lewis theory main target, main intention is what, Nana? Bond formation takes place or molecules are formed based on octet configuration. Means for stability purpose, in molecule,
Achieving
octet configuration to get stability purpose, every molecule has octet configuration. That is the main target. Okay, for example, here next I'm going to give like this: electrovalency. Electrovalency means what? To get octet configuration, transfer of electrons takes place. Okay, electrovalence is nothing but ionic bond. Okay, ionic bond means what? Transfer of electrons takes place. Next one, covalency, one statement. What is that? To get octet configuration, sharing of electrons
sharing
takes
of
place.
electron.
Electrons takes place. Okay, and in Cosel's-Lewis theory, based on electronegativity and electropositivity, we can decide a type of bond. Okay, for example, two electropositive, one electropositive, one electronegative element are combined. Then what type of bond is formed? One electropositive, another one is electronegative. What type of bond?
Ionic bond.
Ionic bond.
Ionic bond. Same. Both are electronegative elements. Then what happened?
Covalent bond.
Covalent bond.
Yes, covalent bond. Both are electropositive elements. What happened?
Covalent bond.
Both are
Covalent.
metallic bond. No.
Metallic.
Both are electropositive. Electropositive means metallic bond formation takes place. Okay. After this, Lewis dot symbol. Okay. In this Cosel's-Lewis theory only, Cosel's-Lewis. Lewis is there, na? Lewis. Electrons are represented by valence electrons. Valence electrons are represented by dots. That is Lewis symbol. Okay. So afterwards, for first A group elements, what is the Lewis dot symbol? Second A group elements, third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A. Okay. Like that, I will give. Okay. So next point, write down. Next point, write down like this: electrovalence. Electrovalency. Here, what is the statement? To get octet configuration, number of electrons are transferred. 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 Simple words here: ionic bond. In bracket, write down ionic bond. That is enough. Next one, electrocovalency or covalence bond. Covalence bond or covalent bond. What is that? To get octet configuration. To get octet configuration. Number of electrons shared. Number of electrons shared. Number of electrons, simple words write down, shared. Number of electrons shared. Next point.
For octet means also
What, Nana?
octet.
Octet configuration means in valence shell 8 electrons should be present. For example, neon is there. Neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is there. Na? See here. Valence shell is what? This is a valence shell because highest principal quantum number. In valence shell, how many electrons are there? 8 electrons are there. That is called octet configuration. In last class, I gave that is what is octet configuration, what is doublet configuration. Octet means 8 electrons present in valence shell. Doublet means 2 electrons present in valence.
Sir, 18 and 32 also can be, no, sir.
What?
In highest shell, 18 and 32 electrons also.
Where in
Stable
which
only.
one,
No,
Anna? Now, in which one 32 elements?
sir, in the last shell.
In last shell, 32 elements, huh?
Not elements, sir,
Octet
electrons.
configuration. Which element? For example, you are asking about which element. Here I am saying any element, whatever may be the element, last shell only you see. Last shell only you see. If 8 electrons are more than 8 electrons are present or less than 8 electrons are present, that is not a octet configuration. Okay, based on zero group elements only, they decided. Okay, based on zero group elements only, they decided about octet configuration. Okay, na? If you get, for example, you are getting one doubt. Okay, already we have one code na to write electronic configuration. Take that element and write the electronic configuration, fill the electrons and see highest principal quantum number. Once you see in that shell how many electrons are present, that is only you should calculate. Okay, then you will understand easily. Okay, na? So next one, type of bond. Here write down like this: ionic bond. Ionic bond means electropositive element plus electronegative element. Next, covalent bond. Simple word, covalent bond. Both are electronegative element. Maximum both are electronegative elements. Means nearly same. Okay, both are electronegative elements. Next, metallic bond. Metallic bond. Metallic bond means both are electropositive element. Examples: here NaCl, NaCl. Okay, here for example hydrogen, or for example anyone, Cl2, chlorine and chlorine. Both are what is that, electronegative elements only. Fluorine and fluorine, F2.
O2, N2.
Okay, here any one element, N2, O2, like that. Here any two elements you can take, that is metallic bond. Sodium, okay, and zinc, copper, anyone. This is the examples.
Sir,
Next
coordinate covalent
point,
bond.
Lewis.
Metallic bond.
Coordinate to covalent bond means actually coordinate to covalent bond formed after forming of covalent only. Coordinate to covalent bond is not a separate bond. First, in that molecule, covalent bond should be present. After that only covalent bond is, after that only coordinate to covalent bond is present. Simple example, I already see NH3. In this one, which bond is present? Covalent bond is present. NH3, covalent bond is present. NH, H. This is the covalent bond is present. Coordinate to covalent bond means after forming of covalent bond, this lone pair is donating X plus to the H plus, because this is electron deficient. H plus is there. So this is the same is what? Including. Okay, coordinate in covalent bond only, coordinate to covalent bond is present. That lone pair donation takes place. What, Nana?
Again, you explain, sir. Video stuck.
Video structure. Okay, coordinate to covalent bond means after forming covalent bond, coordinate to covalent bond is formation takes place, because
Two are
coordinate.
same.
What?
Sir, covalent
Ah.
bond and coordinate bond are same.
What is the major difference is covalent bond means one electron sharing takes place. Nana. For example, A, B is there. Here, B donating one electron to the A and A donating one electron to the B. This is called covalent bond. Okay. In covalent bond, one electron sharing takes place. But coordinate to covalent bond case, see, two electrons donating takes place. Two electrons sharing takes place. Two electrons donating takes place. Pair, that is coordinate to covalent bond. Don't fix like this. Coordinate to covalent bond and covalent bond. 100% both are same. Don't fix like that. Because what is the major similarity, major important point is what? After forming covalent bond only coordinate to covalent bond formation takes place. Means in covalent compounds only coordinate to covalent bond formation takes place. In ionic compounds, there is no any coordinate to covalent bond. See, major difference is what? Electron pair donation. Pair means two electrons. Okay, na?
Covalent bond only one electron sharing takes place, sir.
Only one electron sharing takes place. Coordinate to covalent bond means two electrons, both pair. Okay, from one atom only. Here nitrogen has one lone pair, na? This nitrogen donating two electrons to the H plus because H plus is
Sir,
What,
it means
Nana?
nitrogen forms double bond with H plus.
No, why double bond here? Actually, one bond means two electrons. See, in Cl, Nana. Here one unpaired electron is there. Voice is stuck. Once you
Sir,
have,
then
see,
both ionic bond and covalent bond both will be takes place in coordinate covalent bond.
means that is based on examples. Based on examples, Nana. For example, here NH4Cl is there. In this one, covalent bond is present. Coordinate to covalent bond is present. Ionic bond is present. Means if you want to check coordinate to covalent bond, ionic bond means based on species only you can select. For example, in Cl2, Nana, pure only covalent bond is present. Okay. And for example, in NaCl, only ionic bond is formed. But in this one, three are possible. Three. How are three possible means here? For example, first species, this is NH4 plus Cl minus. This is called what? Ionic bond. Ionic bond because transfer of electrons takes place. And in this one, NH4 plus means what? See, N and H, N and
How
H, N and
NH4 is plus, sir?
NH4 plus na. So here what is that? In NH3, only covalent bond is present. In NH4 plus, coordinate to covalent and covalent bond is present. You see here NH4 plus.
So why you wrote plus, sir, there?
Here, because here first, here or here? Which one? In this one, you are
Sir,
asking
NH4 plus.
See, NaCl, how you split na? NaCl means Na plus Cl minus, you can split like this, na?
No,
Same
sir.
similarly.
You wrote it. Sir,
NH4
right,
plus?
sir, you wrote plus, no, sir.
Here.
Before only, how you know it is plus charge?
See, that is some process is there. Actually, here, NH3, coming to the nitrogen covalence. Nitrogen valence is how much? 3 only. Because that is the fifth group, valence electrons are 3 only. Maximum covalency in nitrogen 4 only. That is NH4 plus only. See, and how I am deciding here, what is that? NH3 plus HCl, Nana. NH3 plus HCl. Actually, how NH4Cl formation takes place means this is acid. In this one, this is acts as a base. Here, what happened once you see here, here how NH4Cl formation takes place, I'm explaining. NH3 plus HCl. Acid means what, Nana? Readily donating H plus. Readily donating H plus, that is called acid. Okay, that topic we'll discuss in equilibrium. So from this one, we have source. What is the source? H plus and Cl minus. See, this lone pair is there now. This is lone pair is donating to H plus. So NH4 plus and here Cl minus as it is there now, Cl minus. NH4Cl formation takes place. So here we can write NH4Cl. NH4Cl. How NH4Cl is formed means like this: ammonia plus acid. HCl is a acid. From this one, H plus source. So based on practice, before this process only, I know na NH4Cl means we can split like this. So here see, NH4 plus formation takes place and Cl minus. Here positive charge is there, here negative charge is there, na? Like that you have to think. So ionic bond between NH4 plus and Cl minus, ionic bond is formed. Okay, na? Like that you have to think. So here,
Sir,
next
ionic
point,
bond means bond between electronegatives and electropositives.
ionic bond means electropositive and electronegative. Electropositive means don't fix metals only. Electron deficient compound. Electropositive means what, Nanna? After losing electrons, it gets the charge, positive charge. Here NH4 plus is there, na? NH4 plus is a electron deficient. Electropositive means what? Electron deficient. Means after losing electron. Just you see the positive charge only in this case. Don't think, sir, here this nitrogen is a electronegative element, na, sir. Here Cl minus also electronegative. Don't think like that. Automatically, then you will get more doubts. Just you see which after forming the molecule, what type of bond is present. Okay. Just if you analyze, you will get answer. Okay.
Sir.
But that is basic statement. This is what basic. Basic means
Sir, but
basic process. Ask them.
electrovalent bond is a force, na sir? Force of attraction.
Okay. Force of attraction. Where you are asking
So how it
electrovalence
will
for
form bond, sir?
here,
This force, na?
force of attraction means that force of attraction hold the two atoms in molecule. In this molecule, you are asking
Yes, sir.
between which one? NH4 plus and Cl minus. Between.
Yes, sir.
Here say simple words. This is a positive charge. This is the negative charge molecule. So between positive and negative charge, some
Sir,
attraction
covalence means
forces.
it will be repulsion, na sir? Covalence NH4. Yeah, na.
In NH4. Okay. In NH4,
So repulsion and attraction takes place, na sir? There.
that repulsions and attractions both are equilibrium. Both are in equilibrium. That's
Means
why that
zero it
bond
will
formation.
become, sir.
What?
Means net attraction will be zero.
Zero. And net means net. For example, repulsions is more means automatically both species are move far away from each other. Okay. So for example, attraction forces are more and more means that completely that is a strong bond formation takes place. But here just what happened, repulsions and attractions are equilibrium. So net is equal to what? Zero. That's why that molecule is exist. Okay, na?
Sir, after
Next, right.
covalent bond, if there is charges formed, we will get coordinate covalent bond, sir.
Okay. Based on species, we can decide. Actually, here NH3 is a NH3 means what? Covalent bond. After this one, for example, H plus is there means automatically coordinate to covalent bond is present. Another example, H2O. Covalent bond is present. For example, H plus is there. Okay. This is what coordinate. In this one, covalent bond is present, coordinate to covalent bond is present. Both are present. You have to say like that. Okay, na? Next slide on the Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol means what? Valence electrons are represented by dots. Valence electrons are represented
cross
by
also.
What?
Even the cross. That X.
What?
Not only
Into
dots,
symbol
sir.
also. Into symbol also they'll use.
Symbol. Okay. Generally, into cross also. But here, just here, we are following this one. Yes, like this. Lewis dot structure. Actually, in our syllabus, that terms are like this. Lewis dot structure. Examples. For example, lithium. Lithium is which group? First A group element. Na? Okay. 1A. First A group elements.
One valence electron.
One valence electron, 1s1. Next to beryllium, how many electrons? 2 electrons. This is second
Two
A.
valence
Second A means 1s2. 2 electrons are there, na? Okay, next one, lithium, beryllium, boron. How many electrons? 3 valence electrons. Because third A, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2s2, 2p1, na? Boron, 2s2, 2p1. And next one, carbon. How many electrons? 4th A. Okay, 2s2, 2p2. 4 electrons are there, na? Valence shell. Valence shell only I am writing. Valence shell. See here, valence electrons are represented by dots. Valence electrons only. Next one, nitrogen. Nitrogen. How many valence electrons are there? 1, 2, 3. Because this is the 5th A group elements. 2s2, 2p3. And oxygen. Oxygen, how many valence electrons are there? Ask Nanu.
Sir, for nitrogen, why they will keep 2 dots up only, sir? Why they can't keep
Actually,
side?
from this one, in this carbon is excited state, so 4 unpaired electrons are there. But in this one, if you write non-electronic configuration, 2s2, 2p3 means like this, na? Single electrons. So single electrons in ground state only like this. Single electrons are 1, 2, 3. These 3 electrons are 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir,
and 2
that's
electrons are
only.
representing like this.
They can keep 2 dots side also, na? Left side or right side or bottom.
See, if you want to represent like this also, you can represent, no issue. Just target is unpaired electrons. Okay, one lone pair is, if you want to represent like this, you can represent, no issue. Anyone? Okay, oxygen case. Oxygen case, what is that? 6th A. What is that? 2s2, 2p4. 2p4 in this, here, what is that? Why I'm representing like this only? Here 2 pairs are there. Na? Here 2s2 means 1 pair. 2p4 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Na? 1 pair, 2 pairs, and 2 single electrons are there, na? Like this. But no issue because the valence electrons are 6. Na? Like that. Next one is what? Na? 6th A group and 7th A group. For example, any halogen I'm taking. Okay, how many electrons? 7th A. 2s2, 2p5. Single electron. How many single electrons are there? 1 single electron is there. Remaining all are pair. Actually, here any halogen you take. But
Sir, in case of helium and noble gases.
actually, there is no valence. For example, in case of that one, there is no any representation because representation means if argon is there, if you want to representation, what is that? 8 electrons are there, no? Like this. Octet configuration. Octet configuration, very,
helium-
very stable.
Helium.
Helium case
Helium.
simple. Pair 1s2. 1s2, na? So like this. See, Costello-Lewis target is what? Each and every molecule should get octet configuration, but few limitations are there. Means few molecules.
Sir, transition elements cannot form octet.
Actually,
Yes,
transition elements properties are that variable oxidation states, and it depends on situation that N-1 D shell and NS shell are involved. Na? So we can't fix it that one. Here in this one, minimum valency we can fix, maximum valency we can fix. These are based on these fixed properties, S and P block elements. But transition elements properties are completely different. Means those are not pure metals. Those are not pure non-metals. Means that in just if you give small amount of energy, it shows different behavior. Highly reactive, forming that property. That's why more properties I give for transition elements purpose only. So, sir, why not, sir? Okay, that different properties are there. Why not we are not discussing here? Means that is means more properties are there, na? So to decide, there is no any general properties. Means there is no any fixed properties. That's why specially we are not discussing about the transition elements. Okay. Here just yes and actual. That's why valence means yes and p electrons only. But transition elements case, what happened? Penultimate shell also we are including. N-1 shell also we are including. F block elements, what happened? N-2 shell also we are including. But what is the specialty in S and
Sir,
P
then
block?
it will be
Only
sir,
N-1D. N-1D.
in a D and F block, it will be not possible to form octet configuration, no, sir.
Yes, based on complexes, different. In sometimes that is not forming in all cases. Yes, because the properties are different, applications are different, because we are considering penultimate shell also. But in S block and P block, what happened? Our focus is only valence shell. That's why we are discussing. Okay. For only one group purpose, one research is there.
Sir,
Ask
then
me.
this D and F block will form a covalent or ionic bond.
Maximum covalent. In sometimes ionic also possibility is there, but maximum, for example, covalent and ionic, nana, because those are not strong metals and those are not weak metals, na? So ionic also possibilities are there, covalent also possibility. Okay, in complexes, covalent bond we can say. Okay, different theories are there in that. What is the transition elements forms? So what type of bonds like that? Ionic and covalent, both are possible. Okay, na? So your limitations are there. What are the limitations? Means few molecules show less than octet configuration. The first one. Okay. Next one is, next example is few molecules shows more than octet configuration. Means 10 electrons, 12 electrons will come. Actually, what is that? 8 electrons only should be present in the molecule. But in first case, what happened? Less than 8 electrons, means 4 electrons, 2 electrons molecules also possible. Okay, second case, superoctet configuration means more than 8 electrons, 10 electrons, 12 electrons, like 16 electrons, like that. And third case is hard number containing molecules. For example, in one molecule, A and B, third case. Here, B should get octet configuration, but A won't get octet configuration. But Costello-Lewis, what he said, Costello-Lewis theory, each and every atom should, to get octet configuration purpose only, participate in bond. Okay, participate in the bond formation. But here what happened in molecule, B will get octet configuration, but A won't get octet configuration, won't satisfy octet configuration. That examples I will show. Okay. First example, first one. Example, write down incomplete.
Form a bond.
What, Nana? Even though that is forming bond.
Why, sir?
Means based on situation, means that possibilities are there. For example, here that stable in that one. For example, BeCl2 is there, BeF2 is there. That molecule is exist. General property. See here. General properties means 80% is applicable. Exception cases also there, no? Exception cases also means base that molecule is exist. What is the specialty in that molecules? After forming the molecule, all scientists check. They gave only few molecules, not all molecules. Okay, only few molecules only exist.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in incomplete octet configuration, lithium chloride is there. See, lithium chloride, this is the highly electropositive element. This is the highly electronegative element. Okay, in this one bond formation takes place. Here, how many electrons? Lithium valence electrons 1, chlorine valence electrons, unpaired electrons, chlorine unpaired electrons 1. So here, what is that? 2 electrons. Even though this is forming takes place. Why, sir? Here, for example, based on species, we can say none. Based on species. See here, lithium is there. Lithium is a high polarized element because lithium plus strong metal is there, readily lose electron. Okay. Here, chlorine is high electro affinity, means it is easily accept electrons because already, okay, in periodic table, I will explain. Electron affinity means what? Readily accept electron. That property is called electron affinity. So between Li and chlorine, bond is stable because this nature and this nature, based on this nature and this nature, we can say highly electropositive, highly electronegative. Okay, so that's why bond formation takes place. But here, how many electrons are involved? Only 2 electrons only involved. This is not an octet configuration, even though this is exist. Okay, so incomplete LiCl and next one BeH2.
Sir,
Ask none.
in NaCl, sir, formation of NaCl.
Formation of NaCl. Okay.
Okay, it will form Na plus Cl minus, no, sir. If we add both, we'll get NaCl.
Yes, NaCl. Okay.
They will say that sodium and chlorine ion should be in gaseous state. Why, sir? And NaCl will be formed solid.
Actually, okay. If you break that bond, okay, that is this is a species, or the sodium species is in gaseous form. Means simple words. What is the difference between gases and solid, Nana? All are, for example, this marker is there. In this one, 100 particles are there. All are close to each other. That is solid. For example, all these are in free state. This marker particle only. In free state, we can say that is gaseous state. This one Na plus and Cl minus is ionic state. Here, ionic state. Actually, this is the ionic state. Now, single particle that is present in the free state. That is actually Barr-Neighbor cycle. I will explain. Actually, in Barr-Neighbor cycle, NaCl formation is there. Sodium to first solid to gas state. First, we convert that one. Means what is the difference between solid and gases? For example, sodium particles are there like this. All are close to each other. This is solid. From this one, okay, one species, one sodium ion, when we separate from this one, we can say that is gaseous state like that. Okay, you have to think like that. In Barr-Neighbor cycle, I will explain this NaCl formation. Then you will understand. Next one, BCl3. See here, beryllium, how many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 hydrogens, na? 2 hydrogens means 2 electrons. So how many electrons? 4 electrons. Boron, how many electrons? 3 electrons. Chlorine, only unpaired electrons. 1, 2, 3. How many electrons? 6 electrons. This is the first exception, first limitation. Second limitation, expanded octet. Expanded octet or superoctet. Expanded octet or superoctet configuration. In bracket, write down here less than 8 electrons. Here more than 8 electrons. More than 8 electrons. Okay, examples PF5 or PCl5. PCl5. Phosphorus, how many electrons and valence electrons in excited state? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, 10.
Total 10 electrons. Okay, SF6. Sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
1, 2, 3,
12.
4, 5, 6. So total how many electrons? 12 electrons. 12 electrons. IF7, last. How many? 7 electrons. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many? 14 electrons. 14 electrons.
So
These all are
SF6, SF6
12.
12.
12 because 6 electrons, no, in sulfur. 6 fluorines are there. Each fluorine 1 unpaired electron.
Okay, sir.
Third exception is third one is octet rule is not satisfied. Not satisfied. Octet rule is not satisfied for all atoms. If molecule with odd number of electrons. In molecule with odd number of electrons. In molecules with odd number of electrons. Like examples, NO. Example is NO, for example. Okay. In here I am showing. In nitrogen, how many electrons? 7 electrons. 7 electrons. In oxygen, how many electrons? Sorry, in nitrogen, valence electrons, how many? In molecule with odd number of electrons. Odd number of electrons. So odd number of electrons means 7 only.
Odd
Here
atomic
8.
number.
Odd atomic number. So here what is that? 15 electrons. 15 electrons. This is odd. Okay. It is in molecule with odd number of electrons, 15 electrons. Now we try to give the Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. In nitrogen, how many electrons are there, Nana, in nitrogen? Okay. This is the, what is that? 5 electrons. Here I am showing the 5 electrons. Okay, 5 electrons. And oxygen, valence electrons, how many? 6 electrons.
6.
See, 6 electrons. Na? See, both are combining. Both are combining. Here, this is also both are combining. See here, oxygen case, how many electrons? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 electrons. This is octet. What is the meaning of that one? I am explaining. Nitrogen case, see, 2, 4, 6, 7 only. So not
Incomplete octet.
incomplete octet. Like this you have to fix. Incomplete octet.
Sir, but then also it is forming. That is the
That is
limiting.
that between nitrogen and oxygen, that bond formation, because here oxygen is more electronegative. That is the formation takes place. Few molecules case. Why means so many conditions are there in research level. We will know clear information about that molecules. What are the major dominating factors to form that bond like that?
Sir,
Ask me.
sir, one electron is left, no, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now hydrogen can form a bond with nitrogen.
Hydrogen
Or
with this one, yes,
With that-
if possibility is there, yes, based on condition, yes, that is also possible. Any just based on conditions only. For example, ask now.
Sir, you said ions are formed to get an octet configuration.
That is general point. Costello-Lewis said like that.
If Na plus is there and Cl minus is there,
Okay.
NaCl will be stable, or Na separate it will be stable, or Cl minus will be stable, more stable.
Okay. Simple words here. For example, in Na case, 11 electrons are there. Okay. In Na plus case, 10 electrons are there. Okay. See, same. In Cl case, 17 electrons are there. In Cl minus case, 18 electrons are there. Here commonly NaCl is there. In NaCl, Okay, means octet configuration is possible. See, actually, for example, in this case, first you have to think 11 electrons are there. Sodium is present, for example, uh, in uh, in one room, for example. There is no any chlorine atoms. Sodium is eagerly waiting for chlorine. Okay, if chlorine is close to sodium, immediately NaCl is formed. Immediately NaCl is formed. So this is stable. Okay, another case. Sir, here I'm not giving chlorines. Just I try to remove the electron only, sir, by
Yes,
using
sir,
energy.
we can remove now, sir.
Easily that sodium will give. Easily that sodium will give. So after forming Na plus also, that is stable, present in the ionic form, that is present, okay, for few minutes purpose, that is present in Na plus only. So how we decide Nana stable and how we decide, that is compare with, based on conditions only we can decide. For example, in sodium, for example, in
So
this room,
in this
sodium
case,
is
which
there.
is stable, sir? Which is more stable in this case?
Na and Na plus case, huh?
Yes, sir.
For example, one common point is there, but first I am explaining that point and afterwards I will give answer to this one. Common point is generally neutral species are generally neutral species are more stable than ionic species. That is the common point. Okay, sir, I don't want that point. Only I need this point. Means this is the stable. Na plus is the stable.
Sir, they are already
na?
stable.
If you-
Na
because
plus
here
and
octet
Cl minus.
configuration is there, na? After losing that one, stable.
Sir,
Based on
Na plus
conditions.
and
Okay, na?
Sir. Sir,
Sir, then Cl minus is stable, no, sir?
What? Actually. Okay, shall I rub this one?
sir, these ions are already stable now.
Which ions?
Na plus and Cl minus. Again, why they are forming NaCl ion?
Okay, already see here. What is NaCl means? What is the meaning, Anna? What is the meaning? Don't in your thing. If you
Sir, your
think
video is not
individually,
clear,
don't
sir.
think about Cl minus. Video is not clear. Huh?
Clear, sir.
Sir,
Clear,
your
sir.
voice is not clear, sir.
Voice is not clear. Huh? Okay.
Everything is clear,
See.
sir.
Okay. See here. Don't here NaCl means what? Na giving one electron to the chlorine. That's why NaCl is stable. You are saying, sir, you are individually you are removing electron. Here actually your doubt is what? In first case, forget about Cl minus, just to think about Na plus. Na plus is stable. NaCl means what? Na one electron giving to the chlorine. Na sodium one electron giving to the chlorine. So based on that
But why we
understanding,
will write
NaCl is
the
more
reaction
stable.
as Na plus Cl minus, those things?
Just Na plus and Cl minus means that between Na and chlorine, ionic bond is formed. Ions are formed. See, don't confuse. Here Na plus Cl minus or NaCl. Both are same. Here especially we are indicating ionic bond. One example. Wait, Nana. Don't confuse this representation and this representation. There is no more difference, none actually. Here, what is this? If you represent like this, that is clear proof ionic bond is present. This is we are not showing. Actually, in the both are same. Don't think separately. Representation. NaCl and Na plus Cl minus both are same. Na plus Cl minus means what? Ionic bond, ions. Ionic bond is present. What is the meaning of this one? One electron donating to this one. That electron is, chlorine is accepting that sodium electron. Like that, what do you think?
Okay, sir.
See, sometimes you will get doubt, Nana, because theoretical points different, representation is different, exceptions are different. That's why just to when you will get clear mind means just you read the theory and practice the questions. Just you see the answer means understand and see the answer. If you get correct answer, okay, just forget about that. And otherwise, what happened? Each and every represent in chemistry, general point, exception point, based on conditions, different reactions are there. So that is the see here. First question, Lewis theory. What he said, octet configuration should be present. That's why only then only molecule is formed. But here what happened? Incomplete. Less than octet number is possible. More than octet number is possible. One atom is what is that? Showing octet configuration. Another atom is not satisfied with octet configuration. So this type of doubts continuously will get. Okay, na? But when you get this doubt, try to okay understand. Otherwise, if you feel more complicated, just you leave that one. Practice the question. Okay. Next,
Sir,
ask.
if we break also, this will go. This will form this will be in gaseous state NaCl if we break into Na plus and Cl minus.
Yes, immediately because yes, in gases form will see in gaseous state. All molecules, simple as gases and solid. Don't think what is that differently. Particles are very closely solid. Particles are freely gases. Okay, na? So next one, here I am going to give like this, Nana. One table here I want to give. Molecule, central atom, and next one, this is the molecule, central atom, total number of valence electrons. Total number of valence electrons on central atom. Central atom is what? Least number. Okay, maximum least number or large size. Or large size. H and F always H and F always terminal only. H and F always terminal only. H and F always terminal only. Okay. Large size or low electronegative also.
Sir, terminal ante.
Terminal means, for example, this is the terminal. This is the central atom. Hydrogens are terminal. Okay, terminal. Except the central atom, remaining all are. Okay, coming to the point. In CH4, what is the central atom?
C.
Carbon.
Carbon.
So how many electrons are there? 8 electrons because 4 bonds are there, na? Okay, carbon 4, 4 hydrogens. So like that. NH3. If you get any doubt, ask me now. Don't think here. Here in 3 hydrogens, na? So 6 electrons and lone pair, 8 electrons. H2O, oxygen. If you get any doubt, ask me now. Okay. Can I show here? For example, oxygen is there, hydrogen is there, hydrogen is there. 2.
Sir, 6 are of oxygen and 2 are of hydrogen.
Yes, simple words. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. 8 electrons. Octet configuration. Next one, C.
Lone pairs, how many sir of oxygen?
2 lone pairs, Nana. 2 lone pairs. That's why I indicated na in Lewis Dart's examples. 6th group elements are 2 lone pairs.
Then you took valence electrons. We should take lone pairs, no?
See, valence electrons case also, you should, in covalent bond, you should take unpaired electrons only. Unpaired electrons only, single electrons only. See, NH3 is there. Okay, in NH3, what happened? Nitrogen means, what is that? 2s2, 2p3, na? 2s2 means this is a pair. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Unpaired electrons only. Here 3 hydrogens are there. Na? Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This lone pair is there now. This lone pair is indicated here. This lone pair. Paired electrons indicating here. Unpaired electrons are indicating here. Okay. Sir, sometimes in excited state, okay, that what happened, for example, if excited state is possible, this electron is jump, for example, this electron is jumps to another orbital, then what happened that time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons, 5 bonds also formation takes place. But in nitrogen case, what happened? There is no vacant orbitals. That's why nitrogen maximum valence is 4 only. Okay, 3 from this one and 1 from this one. This is coordinated covalent bond.
But then 8 octet you written NH3.
How 8 means total number of valence.
5 from nitrogen, 3 from oxygen, hydrogen, you
Ah.
can say no, sir.
From nitrogen in central atom. From nitrogen 5, from hydrogen 3, 8. In
H2O,
molecule,
sir.
in H2O, 6 from oxygen, 2 from hydrogen, 8. Okay. CO2 case what happened?
18. 18.
18 or 8? 8 only. No? See, I will show. This is the structure. No? Now you count.
Double bond, sir. Yes, forgot.
Double bonds. CO2. Next one, each carbon. Only each carbon I am asking. Each carbon. Here also same 8. If you have any doubt,
8.
count. Same, each carbon. 8. Okay, same. 1 bond, 2 electrons, and you have to count like that. Each carbon. 8. Next. Again I am showing. BeCl2. Beryllium. How many electrons beryllium? 4. 4 electrons. So here this is what deficient. Electron deficient. Only next 2 examples I will give. Afterwards I will give questions over.
Sir,
Shall I have this?
CH3, that how did you get 8, sir, each carbon written?
See, here I am representing. See, count you first. You carbon. This carbon is this is carbon. How many electrons? Here see, 2 electrons, 4 electrons, 6 electrons, 8 electrons. Actually, carbon how many electrons? 4 electrons, na? 3 from hydrogen, and 1 bond is there, na? This one from carbon, so 8 electrons. 2, 4,
Sir, one
6,
section
8.
BeCl2.
What?
Beryllium chloride, how you got 4 electron deficiency?
Simple words. Here. Beryllium, how many electrons? 2 electrons, na? Chlorine and chlorine. This chlorine 1, this chlorine 1. 4 electrons. Only 3 examples here are available. Next, BeCl3. How many boron? Here 6. BeCl3 also 6 electron. Because deficient. Electron deficient.
But 2 electron deficiency.
2 electron deficient. Generally we can say electron deficient. Electron deficient. Next, BeCl3 is finished. Next, PCl5. Phosphorus. 10 electrons. Superoctet. Already I gave, but again I am giving. Just only examples. Superoctet or expanded octet. SF6, S12. IF7, I14, Enough.
Sir, Omar.
Okay, completed. Huh?
Sir, xenon will form compounds with oxygen. Those are ionic
Yes,
or covalent.
that is covalent. Because xenon and oxygen both are non-metals only, na? Electron like that you have to think only covalent bond. Xenon, oxygen. Next subtopic is what, Nana? Next subtopic.
Sir, homework.
Homework. Only side heading right on next subtopic. Next subtopic is what?
Covalent.
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 Next subtopic is covalent. Actually, maximum I try to complete syllabus as much as possible because if I complete, I will get more time to revise again second round and third round. Okay, first round case for example, 15 classes we take. In second round, just 2 to 3 classes I will explain overview, and last round case I will give papers. That's why sometimes in easy topics case, maximum I try to move somewhat fast. Okay, that time don't afraid. If you get any doubt, immediately you should ask.
Sir,
If
ionic
we complete
property,
first, what Nana?
ionic compound
Ion.
properties.
Next, after covalent bond in books, what happened? First ionic bond they will give. Afterwards, covalent bond in books. But here just I am following. Lewis dot symbol is related to the covalent compounds. That's why Costell's Lewis theory. Next to covalent compounds, Lewis dot structure. Afterwards, coordinate to covalent bond. Next, I will start ionic compounds. But in our textbooks or any material, first ionic bonds they give. But for sequence purpose, I am giving like this. Okay, na?
Sir, in our
Okay.
material, they give covalent bond first.
Covalent bond first one, na? Okay, I will collect our material one. I didn't get material. I will see. In Sri Chaitanya, Narayana, Kota, resonance, okay, align material. First, that is there. Okay, more questions. Question writer. The molecule that deviates from octet rule. The molecules that deviates from octet rule. Question is like this. Okay. CCl4, BF3, MgO, and NCl3. This is the first question. Next question.
Sir, BF3.
BF3. Yeah? Okay. Which of the following molecule? Next question. Which of the following molecule does not obey octet rule? Does not obey octet rule and also has lone pair and also has lone pair on central atom. First option. CCl4, TCl3, NH3, SCl4. Second question.
Sir, SCl4.
SCl4. Huh? Okay. Yes. last one. Octet rule is not satisfied. Octet rule is not followed in. Not followed in. Options SF6B, PF5, C, BECL2, D. All three.
All,
Okay.
sir.
All of the, because here what is that? Superoctet, and electron deficient. Okay, here also once you calculate and give your answer in this one. Here 3, here SCM. Okay, now students, next class I will start covalent compounds and I will come.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, have a nice day. Do hard work.